A tranquil dawn sweeps over a quiet meadow as sunlight sighs through grasses and a gentle breeze carries the scent of herbs. Close up on cardamom pods in warm light, their ridges gleaming as dew lifts and falls in slow cinematic motion. Caption shows 3 benefits: digestion support, circulation balance, and nausea relief, each brief line reinforcing how this spice fits daily rituals. Images linger on steam rising from tea and a calm hand brushing leaves as the scene warms, golden hues rippling through glass jars. Fade to black with a final caption inviting daily healing wisdom bright.